The James Webb Telescope has given the most clear image of Proxima B ever, revealing stunning experiences about this possibly livable exoplanet. As we leave on an excursion through space to uncover the mysteries of Proxima B, we look to decide whether it very well may be the following Earth. This enthralling planet exists in the livable zone of its star, Proxima Centauri. Proxima B isn't simply any customary stone. It's world's cousin, tracked down just 42 light-years from us. This planet is covered in secret and miracle. Might it at some point be one more Earth with oceans and life flourishing with its surface? Nonetheless, there is something else to Proxima Centauri B besides what might be expected. It isn't the only one in circle around the red small star. It has a buddy. Who can say for sure what different privileged insights this star framework holds? Maybe there is one more planet that we still can't seem to find. Proxima Centauri B gets generally similar measure of energy from its star as Earth does from the Sun. Could this mean there is water on its surface and maybe even life? As we adventure past our own planetary group, we experience an immense universe of exoplanets, planets that circle stars other than the Sun. With approximately 200 billion stars in the smooth manner, the opportunities for exoplanets are perpetual. Some exoplanets even meander openly, untethered to any star, as defiant wanderers in space. Among them all, Proxima Centauri B stands apart as a particularly striking and charming planet. Its year endures just 112 Earth days, and it circles its star ways off a lot nearer than Earth does from the Sun. This implies that one side of the planet is probably unendingly washed in daylight, while the contrary side remaining parts in everlasting haziness. Presently, we should analyze Proxima Centauri, the star that Proxima B circles. Proxima Centauri is essential for the Alpha Centauri triple star framework, which likewise incorporates Alpha Centauri and NB together. These stars structure the nearest star framework to our own nearby planet group. Alpha Centauri and NB are a twofold framework, showing up as one star in the group of stars Centaurus, and are the third most splendid stars in our night sky, with an extent of under 2.7. Proxima Centauri, otherwise called Alpha Centauri C, is a red small star found 21 light-years from the other two stars, multiple times the distance among Earth and the Sun. It is, as a matter of fact, the nearest star to us, as its name recommends. Proxima signifies nearest in Latin. Found in 1915 by Scottish space expert Robert Thorburn Delegate, Proxima Centauri isn't noticeable to the unaided eye, with an evident greatness of 11.13, much fainter than the apparent furthest reaches of 6.5. Notwithstanding, don't let that fool you. Proxima Centauri is as yet a star worth wondering about. Red small stars like Proxima Centauri are among the most proficient concerning energy creation. They may not create a ton of energy, yet the inside convection processes at their centers keep them sparkling for trillions of years. Truth be told, Proxima Centauri will stay a steady fundamental grouping star for another 4 trillion years. In any case, the tenability of a red small star like Proxima Centauri is discussed. As far as one might be concerned, it's a flare star, meaning it encounters normal and serious varieties in brilliance. As a low-mass star, its livable zone would be a lot nearer than the Sun's, projected to be somewhere close to 0.23 and 54 cents. In any case, it's not so decent as it appears. Proxima B is assaulted by serious bright radiation from its star, frequently more grounded than the radiation we get from our Sun. This radiation is strong to the point that even the lightest particles of hydrogen could be stripped away, alongside nitrogen and oxygen. Since a planet is at the right separation from its star doesn't mean it can uphold life. Proxima B probably won't have a steady climate, which is fundamental for managing temperature and keeping a water-accommodating surface. Without it, living organic entities would be powerless against cruel space climate, making life almost unimaginable. While Proxima B might appear Earth-like on a superficial level, it is a long way from having the option to help life. Many stay confident as the mission to reveal reality with regards to Proxima B proceeds. One apparatus that has caught the consideration of cosmologists is the James Webb Telescope. After a few postponements, the telescope was at long last sent off in 2018 and will assist us with deciding whether there is life on Proxima B. Nonetheless, likewise with every single logical undertaking, things are not quite so direct as they appear. Different changes were important to guarantee that the James Webb Telescope conveys exact pictures. Abby Steinhardt, a hypothetical physicist at Harvard, makes sense of that in the event that a planet like Proxima B can retain light from its star, it can likewise emanate it as infrared light. The James Webb Telescope is explicitly intended to distinguish infrared light, catching pictures of this light in the planet's environment and looking for designs that could affirm the presence of water or an air. In any case, imagine a scenario in which the planet has a climate that isn't helpful for life. The simple presence of a climate doesn't ensure the presence of life, cautions Ed Turner, an astrophysicist at Princeton College. Proxima B could be like Venus, with a thick climate that is generally denser than Earth's, joined by outrageous intensity that would make it incomprehensible for life to exist. The excursion to unwind the secrets of Proxima B isn't without its difficulties. While the James Webb Telescope holds guarantee, there are various elements to consider. With costs mounting, cosmologists feel the strain to sort out some way to notice planets like Proxima B. A ton is in question, yet the prizes are much more prominent. The chance to investigate the obscure and divulge the insider facts of a far-off planet that holds the potential for life is a pursuit worth chasing after. If the exoplanet were tenable, might we one day visit it? Being the closest exoplanet to us makes it especially exciting, practically like investigating our endless terrace. Significantly more energizing is the way that it is generally a similar size as Earth, and its situation in the livable zone proposes it could for sure have conditions reasonable forever. Proxima B's vicinity likewise makes it an optimal objective as we continued looking for life past Earth. With it being so close, it presents an incredible chance for interstellar missions. Envision the opportunity to investigate this world-like exoplanet. In spite of the fact that we can't yet go there, it is positively on the radar for future missions. As innovation progresses, it could become quite possibly of the most thrilling mission in the field of room investigation. In any case, it's no basic undertaking. It would require 75,000 years for a space apparatus like Explorer 2 to arrive at the Proxima Centauri framework. Regardless, an answer has been proposed: sun-oriented sails. These super flimsy sails could be utilized to push a space apparatus to the Alpha Centauri framework and Proxima close by it. This innovation saddles sun-powered strain to keep the shuttle on course, disposing of the issue of running out of fuel. Here's something significantly cooler. This state-of-the-art innovation could give experiences into the chance of life on different planets like Proxima B. Nonetheless, similar to anything aggressive, there are limits. For example, the presence of an environment doesn't be guaranteed to ensure the presence of life. Proxima B could be similar as Venus, with a thick, hot air that is cold to life. Moreover, the James Webb Telescope has the capacity to recognize such light on the off chance that it arrives at a splendor of only 5% of the daytime side. Presently, 5% may not seem like a lot. However, while managing a star that is normally dimmer than our Sun, it's very critical. Assuming that Proxima B has cutting-edge innovation, it very well may be utilizing intelligent orbital mirrors to channel daylight from the day side to the night side. How cool is that? There are endless exoplanets ready to be found in our universe. These planets come in all shapes and sizes, with some being monstrous gas Goliaths, while others look like our own Earth. However, what do we are familiar them? One sort of exoplanet that has grabbed the eye of space experts is the gas Goliath. These planets are comparative in peace to Jupiter and Saturn, yet are a lot bigger. A portion of these behemoths have been named superjupiters, overshadowing even the biggest planet in our planetary group. Yet, that is not all. There are likewise hot Jupiters, gas Goliaths that circle very near their host star, existing in a searing climate with temperatures sufficiently high to soften metal. Envision seeing such a planet very close, with its rough tempests and serious intensity. Notwithstanding gas Goliaths, there are likewise Neptunian exoplanets, which have sizes tantamount to Uranus and Neptune. Among these are hot Neptunes and scaled-down Neptunes, which are more modest and nearer to their host stars than their gas monster cousins. These planets frequently remain covered in secret, as their environments are challenging to study from a good ways. Furthermore, we should not forget Earth-bound exoplanets, which look like our own Earth. These planets shift in size, going from more modest than our reality to 2 times its size. There are significantly super-Earths, which have masses over 2 times that of our planet, yet are lighter than Neptune. One of the most charming exoplanets as of late found is Proxima Centauri b, which circles the star of a similar name. This planet is delegated a super-Earth, with a rough mass of 7 Earth masses. Despite the fact that it is close to its host star, it is still excessively far away to be viewed as inside the tenable zone. Proxima Centauri b isn't the only one. It has a sidekick, Proxima Centauri c, which is fundamentally farther from the star. This planet has an orbital time of around 5 Earth years and was found in 2020 utilizing pre-recuperation Hubble information. What's especially entrancing about Proxima c is that it gives off an impression of being an outstandingly brilliant world, potentially because of the presence of a ring framework. There is something else to reveal in the Proxima Centauri framework. In 2019, space experts recognized an adjustment of the star's outspread speed, which could demonstrate the presence of another planetary sidekick. Whenever affirmed, this planet would be assigned Proxima d. The investigation of the Proxima Centauri framework holds critical ramifications for how we might interpret planetary development and the potential for life past our planetary group. Every disclosure adds to the rich woven artwork of information about our universe and brings up new issues about the circumstances essential for life to flourish. As we look toward the future, the headways in innovation, for example, the James Webb Telescope and other impending missions, will give us more profound bits of knowledge into these far-off universes. The journey to find tenable exoplanets isn't just about the science. It addresses our inborn interest and want to investigate the unexplored world.